Well, it's Wandering Canucks, and we are at Caerula Mar Club on South Andros Island in the Bahamas. And we'll give you a little walking tour into the resort. And we'll also try and do a video later on of some of the facilities within the resort here. This resort has been made famous by the HGTV show Island of Brian, and also known as a renovation island. Pretty rustic, pretty remote, very quiet. If you just want peace and quiet, believe me, this is the place to come. We start off with some villas at the back of the resort that are for staff housing. There are a few villas on the ocean front for guests, as well as 2 blocks of hotel rooms, and then the usual hotel type facilities with reception and coffee shop, dining area, bar, lunch bar, swimming pool. This is the pond, and this is where Brian Baumler had his little ducks in the show. We've seen one domesticated duck in here, but we've not seen well, there he is. He's going to come out and make his presence known. There he is. But we haven't seen the other ducks like there was on the show. The main building with reception is straight ahead. There's some more villas here. I don't know if these are staff or if these are rented out. I suspect that some of these may be rentals when they're at peak capacity. I would say right now we've probably got about 50 to 60% of the rooms filled in the resort, but I don't have that official. So we'll do another video on the inside of the main area. This building here is where their little sundry and gift shop is. This is where most of the hotel rooms are. It's down here. And you can see that beautiful ocean at the end. A little bit of a windy day today, but temperatures are pleasant. Glass bowls here in the dining area. Switch up is back where the swimming pool, and the building in behind the swimming pool here is Drifts. The building in behind it is the spa, and beyond the spa is the yoga area. I'm hoping the wind is not interfering with the volume too much, so stay tuned for more videos. We're the Wandering Canucks, signing out from Caerula Mar Club, South Andros Island. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel.